Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Kindiat sngi hadian baka Khasi Students Union Kaladawa ban penpra Jaka mandir balate hapo ka Palau jong ka Ophis CBI haniu Shillong na kalyang jong MLA ka BJP na penthor umkra constituency uba Alexander Elheng uloong baki Ophis sarkar la ka dei jong ka sarkar pedeng lani jong ka sarkar jala kidei ki Jaka Treikam Paidbah bat kimde satya ki Jaka mani Blei ha ka jaya krem bikla patai kubor ha ka khatnyau trik unaitung aza punriu uba hek ulabu jingkliru na ka CBI ka bashna Jaka mandir ha Palau ka Ophis Treikam bat kentho ru baki Jaka mani Blei ha ka jala ki don bun teli jong ki kenhun jat nyamba per.
The CBI office is a central office or a state office. The offices, all the offices is a public place. It's not a place of worship. All walk of life, people are working in the different central offices and also the state offices. Why we want to make it as the worship places? We have so many places to go for worship. We have the churches, we have the temple, we have the mosque, we have the Gurudwara. We have so many places. We can pray at home also. Why we have to make in the public places? Tell me in one place. Public place is a working place. It is itself is a worship place only. We worship our duty, we worship our responsibility. Ka kamram ka jungi ke dei ba ngiru ki mani ya ka kam ka ba mangi don. Ka office ka jungi ke dei mani. Boleh pada berdasna pada ya cagibe pada kerja worship places apa ki office sarkar ada kadai po central dan po state. We have to the public places it has to be for the public only, not for the worshipping, for any kind of worshipping.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.